In the manufacturing industry, a fly cutter is a tool used to cut flat surfaces on a workpiece. It is a single-point cutting tool that rotates on an axis perpendicular to the workpiece. The fly cutter is typically used on milling machines and is capable of producing a smooth finish on the surface of the workpiece. The tool is made up of a cutting bit, a shank, and a body. The cutting bit is usually made of high-speed steel or carbide and is held in place by a set screw. The shank is the part of the tool that is held in the machine's spindle, and the body is the part that holds the cutting bit and shank together. The fly cutter is a versatile tool that can be used to cut a variety of materials, including metal, plastic, and wood. It is commonly used in the manufacturing industry to produce flat surfaces on parts such as engine blocks, cylinder heads, and other components. The tool is also used in the woodworking industry to produce flat surfaces on furniture and other wooden objects. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom machinery and equipment for a variety of industries. The company has extensive experience in the design and manufacture of precision parts and components, including those that require the use of a fly cutter. Berkness Company's team of skilled engineers and technicians can work with clients to develop custom solutions that meet their specific needs. The company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction has earned it a reputation as a trusted partner in the manufacturing industry. If you are interested in learning more about the fly cutter and how it can be used in your manufacturing process, Berkness Company is here to help. The company's website features a Contact Us page where you can reach out to their team of experts to discuss your needs and learn more about their services. Whether you need a custom machine designed and built or simply need advice on how to improve your manufacturing process, Berkness Company has the expertise and experience to help you achieve your goals. FAQs. 1. What is a fly cutter and how does it work in manufacturing? A fly cutter is a cutting tool used in manufacturing to create a flat surface on a workpiece. It consists of a single-point cutting tool mounted on a spindle that rotates at high speed. The fly cutter is moved across the workpiece, removing material in a single pass to create a smooth, flat surface. 2. What are the advantages of using a fly cutter in manufacturing? One of the main advantages of using a fly cutter is that it can create a very smooth surface finish on a workpiece. It is also a relatively simple and inexpensive tool to use, making it a popular choice for many manufacturing applications. Additionally, because it removes material in a single pass, it can be faster than other cutting tools that require multiple passes. 3. What are some common applications for a fly cutter in manufacturing? Fly cutters are commonly used in manufacturing for a variety of applications, including creating flat surfaces on large workpieces, machining parts with irregular shapes, and creating precision cuts on delicate materials. They are also often used in the production of molds and dies, as well as in the aerospace and automotive industries. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.